Yeah.
We're gonna start like. No one's saying stupid.
But it was funny.
Yeah.
You should have got him running away.
Huh?
You should have got him running. Look, he's got the hose.
We got it under control.
On the back side.
It's fine. It's almost gone anyway. You know, so we stop tossing this stuff on there.
Stop!
Oh, his hair's gonna get
Oh, get out! Get out! Okay, we should narrate.
Okay, we're the only smart people. If you can see our faces, we're watching. They put the Christmas tree in the phone.
And now he's got those.
Hey, Brandon, I will say this, it's a lot warmer now.
Oh. What else should I say? What else should we say?
Bye, Christmas tree. Oh, it's sad. Look.
Yeah, I got you. Bring it out here.
That man's buildings that have $10 million worth of that.
Now, can I say this again now? Do you know why I'm paranoid?
Yes. I'm getting the paranoia too. I'm afraid to throw my cigarette anywhere.
Y'all pee on it.
I got scared because it started rolling. I thought it was just going to go. And then we were.
We're just sitting here and laugh the whole time.
It was really.
I guess that's
I'm gonna cry. I'm Brandon. Okay, I'm done. This is good on YouTube.
There's a lot of burnable shit.